Learn Spanish. I need equals
necesito,
welcome. Hey you, ready to grab Spanish by the tacos? Let's have fun and keep it simple. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources, printables, and bonus drills. Today's super tool is I need, in Spanish.
necesito,
Picture a taco stand where you mutter,
necesito,
so often the salsa bottle nods in agreement. Smile, breathe, and reach one open hand forward like you're politely asking, because you are. Your goal today. By the end, you'll confidently say what you need, clearly and politely. In English you say, I need. In Spanish, you'll say,
necesito,
use it with a noun or an action. Examples: I need water.
necesito, agua,
I need to study.
necesito, estudiar,
Opposite: I don't need.
no necesito,
Quick comparison: I want equals
quiero,
vs I need equals
necesito,
rhythm drill. Clap the beat and speak with me, short, strong, confident. Call: I need coffee. Response:
necesito,
cafe. Call: I need help. Response:
necesito,
ayuda. Call: I need time. Response:
necesito,
tiempo. Call: if I plead it, I must need it. Say,
necesito,
and you'll beat it. Loop it.
necesito, necesito,
Mini dialogue at the shop. You step up to the counter, clear, polite, and smooth. You: excuse me, I need water, please.
perdón, necesito, agua, por favor.
Clerk: sure, what do you need?
Claro, ¿qué necesitas?
You: I need information about the train.
Necesito información sobre el tren.
Narrator: in the morning, I need coffee to wake up.
Por la mañana, necesito café para despertarme.
Memory hacks that stick. Make it unforgettable with quick tricks you can do right now. Mnemonic: think necessary to remember.
Necesito.
But it's necessary is.
Es necesario.
I need is.
Necesito.
Gesture: reach one open hand forward, palm up while saying.
Necesito.
Loci: in your kitchen, the faucet only runs if you say.
Necesito.
Taste, smell. Sip a salty snack? Say.
Necesito.
Agua: smell fresh coffee? Whisper.
Necesito.
Cafe. Mind map jump. Want.
Quiero.
Require.
Requerir.
Help.
Ayuda.
Time.
Tiempo.
Please.
Por favor.
Culture tip. Mercado magic. Sound natural and kind, tiny words make big smiles. In a busy market, be clear and polite.
Necesito.
Un kilo de tomates.
Por favor.
Quote. Add eye contact, a friendly tone, and a thanks. Want versus need? If it truly matters, say.
Necesito.
If it's just a preference, say.
Quiero.
Real life sparks. Hear it, feel it, use it, then keep it forever. Story: at the airport your phone is dying.
Necesito.
Un cargador, por favor, and boom, charging station. Sci-fi: on a spaceship.
Necesito.
Oxygena. Opposites: I need nothing.
No necesito nada.
Conflict to calm, after an argument.
Necesito.
Un descanso. Quick quiz. You've got this. Answer out loud and keep the tempo. 1. Translate to Spanish, I need. Answer.
Necesito.
2. Listening, you hear.
Necesito.
Agua, meaning? I need water. 3. Complete it. Yo ______, ayuda.
Necesito.
4. True or false.
Necesito.
Means, I need. True. 5. At a store, excuse me, _______, water, please. Fill in Spanish.
Necesito.
Speed round. Quick. Say it in Spanish, I need.
Necesito.
30-second challenge. Let's make it real. 3 fast reps you can use today. At home, say, I need a pen, please. Quote.
Necesito.
Un bolígrafo, por favor. At work, I need time to study. Quote.
Necesito.
Tiempo para estudiar. Travel, I need help. Quote.
Necesito.
Ayuda, then add, please, if needed.
Por favor.
Quote. Wrap up. You did great, short, clear, and confident. Today you mastered I need.
Necesito.
Plus polite add-ons like
Por favor.
and the contrast with.
Quiero.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing out loud and try it in your next real conversation. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more tips and free practice at www.synapse-lingo.com. Until next time, if you need it, say it.
Necesito.